headlight housing. What you gotta do is you have to access it from back behind the wheel well. If you can see that black cover, I'll show you in a second from a close-up view. So if you want to change the left hand side, you got to turn the wheels to the right so you can access this thing in the back. So as you can see, guys can see that this black thing in the back, so we have to remove that cover to access the area where we can install the bulbs. And as you can see, those are the two pull tabs up on the top. These things we have to squeeze them and we can open the case afterwards. Once the case is removed, you will have access to all these different kind of covers. This is a cover for the high beams, the halogen bulbs in there, and this is the cover we're gonna remove because we have to install our turn signals to the LEDs. So let's get this off and we'll go from there. So once we twist the gray tab to remove the turn signal bulb, this is how it looks like. It just comes as a one piece, and then you can twist the bulb counterclockwise to remove it and put the new LED in. So once you take the bulb out, this is how it looks like. So make sure you take a towel or something to remove the bulb because you don't want to touch it with your bare hands, because that reduces the life of the bulb. So twist it anti-clockwise, push it and twist it anti-clockwise and take it out, put it away, take the new LED, find the spot, push it in and turn it clockwise, and now the new one is in, and we'll just put it back and I'll show you guys the difference. Okay guys, so here you can see the difference between the LED and the halogen bulb. LED looks much better than just prior to, and on the left hand side we got the halogen bulb going, and on the right hand side